In this video, we will introduce you to the top 5 best food storage containers. We made this list based on research, quality, and customer reviews. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned in this video, be sure to click the links in the description box below. Before we continue, kindly subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss out on our new videos. So, here are the top 5 best food storage containers. Number 5. Joseph 10-piece Nest Lock Plastic Food Storage Set. The Joseph Nest Lock Set is a smart and space-saving option for those with limited storage space. The 10-piece set includes a variety of container sizes that nest neatly together, saving precious cabinet room. The colorful, airtight, and leak-proof lids ensure a secure seal, keeping your food fresh and preventing spills. BPA-free and dishwasher-safe, these containers are easy to clean and safe to use for your family's meals. The multicolor design also adds a fun, vibrant touch to your kitchen. Number 4. Joy Jolt Joyful 24-piece glass storage containers with lids. The Joy Jolt Joyful 24-piece set is a standout for those seeking a comprehensive, high-quality food storage solution. Made from borosilicate glass, these containers are not only durable but also highly resistant to thermal shock, making them safe for use in the freezer, microwave, and oven. The 12 airtight containers come in various sizes, offering flexibility for different storage needs, from meal prepping to storing leftovers. The airtight lids help keep your food fresh for longer periods, and the glass construction ensures your food remains free from harmful chemicals often associated with plastics. Number 3. Tupperware Heritage 36-piece Food Storage Container Set. The Tupperware Heritage Collection brings a nostalgic flair to your kitchen with its vintage colors and trusted quality. This 36-piece set includes 18 containers and 18 lids, offering a wide range of sizes for all your food storage needs. Made from BPA-free plastic, these containers are dishwasher-safe and designed to last. The lids snap on securely to keep your food fresh, making them perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or storing dry goods. The variety of sizes means you'll always have the right container for the job. Number 2. Pyrex Simply Store 9-pack Mixed-Sized Glass Food Storage Set. The Pyrex Simply Store Glass Food Storage Set is a fantastic option for those who prefer the durability and versatility of glass. This 9-pack set includes both round and rectangular containers with BPA-free lids, providing a range of sizes for all your storage needs. The glass is safe for use in the microwave, oven, fridge, and freezer, making these containers incredibly versatile. Plus, they're dishwasher safe for easy cleaning. The airtight lids help keep your food fresh, while also preventing spills, making them perfect for both storage and transport. Number 1. Rubbermade Brilliance 14-piece Container Set. The Rubbermade Brilliance food storage containers are designed to keep your food fresh and easily organized. Made from BPA-free materials, these containers are safe for storing all kinds of food. Their crystal-clear, stain-resistant design lets you see exactly what's inside, making it simple to locate what you need. The airtight latches provide a secure seal, preventing any leaks or spills, whether you're storing leftovers in the fridge or packing lunch for work. These containers are also microwave and dishwasher safe, making them convenient for both reheating and cleaning. And there you have it. Our top 5 picks for the best food storage containers to keep your kitchen organized and your meals fresh. If you're interested in buying any of the products mentioned in this video based on your needs and budget, kindly click the links in the description box below. We'll also be looking forward to seeing your suggestions and comments. If there is a product you'd like us to review, let us know in the comment section and our research team will be happy to make a review of it. Kindly subscribe, like, and share this video. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video.